equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin diagnosing your Lenovo IdeaPad 5, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the device and prevent any static damage to the components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical damage during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back cover removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Start by inspecting the display cable, which connects the screen to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely connected. If it appears loose, reseat it and check if the backlight issue persists. If the display cable is intact, the next step is to check for any visible damage on the motherboard. Look for burnt components or any signs of corrosion. If you notice any issues, it may indicate a motherboard failure. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This can help improve airflow and prevent overheating, which can also affect performance. At this point, if you're feeling uncertain about proceeding further, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify the exact issue without any pressure to commit to repairs. If you suspect the screen is faulty, you can test it by connecting your laptop to an external monitor. If the external display works fine, it's likely that the issue lies with the laptop screen. Conversely, if the external monitor also shows no display, the problem may be with the motherboard. Should you decide to proceed with repairs, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop troubles. Once you've diagnosed the issue, you can either replace the faulty component yourself or seek professional help. If you choose to replace the screen or motherboard, ensure you purchase genuine parts to maintain the quality and performance of your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Finally, after replacing any components, reassemble your laptop by reversing the steps taken to open it. Secure the back cover and replace all screws. Power on your device and check if the issue has been resolved. If you still encounter problems, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.